going to learn a free plus shipping funnel. Okay, so here we already logged into our dashboard of Funneliy. Okay, so this funnel is 3-step process. Okay, to set up this. Okay, so let me type it. Okay, so step one is set up shipping serves. Okay, so as it is the free plus shipping, so we need to set up the shipping option at first, and then we set up the funnel. Okay, so we step 2. Okay, so step 2 is we will set up the product. Okay, so we'll create product, create product. Okay, then the step 3. Step 3 is our funnel. Okay, so step 3 is funnel creation. Okay, so this 3 step, okay, it's very easy and very important setup for a free plus shipping funnel. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we are here on the dashboard, and first of all we need to go to e-commerce, then settings. Okay, because inside the settings section we will get the shipping option. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so here is the third option that is called shipping. Okay, we will go there, and then we will set up our actual shipping. Okay, now in this case there is no shipping and nothing set up previously. That's the reason we need to set up here the free plus shipping, and if we need any other shipping that we also can do there. Okay, so here is 3 options for us. Okay, shipping zones and the shipping option, and then the shipping classes. Okay, so we will describe everything step by step. Okay, the shipping zone is, just see here, here's the example, and it describes what is shipping zone. Shipping zone is a geographic region where a certain set of shipping methods and rates apply. Okay, so this can be local, it can be domestic zone, it can be Europe or whatever. Okay, so let's get started to set up the shipping zone. Okay, so at first we need to click here or this button. Okay, so click here, add shipping zone. Okay, so we will add a shipping zone. Okay, so we are here on the shipping zone. We just need to name it. Okay, our shipping zone. We can say some shipping. Okay, we just say something like free plus shipping, right? Free plus shipping. Okay, so we call it free plus shipping, and then we need to select the zone. Okay, so we can select the zone specifically based on the country we want to sell our product, or we can do the zip code. Okay, so just see here, limit to specific zip or postcode. Okay, so in this case I'm going to use the country. Okay, so United States. Okay, sorry, United States. Okay, so here is the option United States. Okay, I'm going to put the Bangladesh here also. Bangladesh. Okay, so here is it. Okay, so we can also set up United Kingdom. Okay, so this one. Okay, so we can set up Canada. Okay, this one. Okay, this is enough. Okay, because this is just an example for us. Okay, so you got the point how we can add the country where we want to sell the product. Okay, so and then click here this add shipping method. Okay, so we can also do it later. Okay, just do the setup step by step. Okay, we just added the country. Okay, and then go to the next step. Okay, that is the shipping option. Okay, so the shipping option is something like how we want to show our shipping option into the checkout page. Okay, so here is the 2 option for the calculations. Enable the shipping calculator on the cart page, or we can hide shipping cost until an address is entered. Okay, so in my case I'm going to enable this first one. Okay, and then the shipping destination. Okay, we can just leave it default, and then go to the shipping classes. Okay, this is most important because you can set up many different shipping classes based on your requirement. Okay, so just go. Okay, so for example, we want to set up shipping classes by 3 steps. Okay, so, I mean 3 options. Okay, so name the first option is small. Okay, so we call it small shipping. Okay, there's the small shipping. Okay, how much? We can make it $2.99. Okay, and then the next one, the medium one. Medium. Okay. Okay, medium one. Then set up the medium shipping. There is $3.99. Okay, we just keep the price, okay, as per our requirement. It's not mandatory, but it is up to you how much you want to charge for your shipping. Okay, it can be different for many other ways. Okay, so it's okay, so it can be the high. Okay, small, medium, and high. Okay, so high shipping. Okay, high shipping, that can be $6.99. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so go ahead with these three options. Okay, so we set up the shipping classes: high, small, and medium. Okay, and then go to the shipping zone again, and we will set up the shipping classes with the shipping zone. Okay, so go click here on the shipping free plus shipping option. Okay, for the shipping zone. Okay, so this is just the name. Okay, it can be anything. It's up to you. But I just name it free plus shipping because we are going to set up the free plus shipping funnel in this video. Okay, so go to the flat rate or free shipping or local pickup. Okay, so we are going to the flat rate because we are going to charge for shipping, not for the product. Okay, because our product is for free and we are going to charge for the shipping charge. Okay, so click here and then go to edit. Okay, so here's all the option. Okay, flat rate, that's fine. Okay, so this is the option if your shipping charge is taxable and if it's not. Okay, so we are going to set up no. Okay, the cost is by default is 0. Okay, we will set up the cost here. Okay, and the shipping class cost. Okay, in this case this will be 0, and for the high we can set up $6.99. For the medium, we can set up $3.99, and for the small, we set up $2.99, and the default. Okay, so if we don't select any other shipping class, then what will be the default cost? Okay, so put it $4.99. Okay, so this is the default no shipping class cost. If we don't set up any shipping class with the product, then it will be the default. Okay, so I think you got the point. Okay? So we have another option, calculation type. Okay? So for two option, okay, per class charges shipping for each shipping class individually, or we can do charge shipping for the most expensive shipping class. Okay, we will go with the second option, and then okay, we are done. Okay, so everything is set up, the shipping option is set up. That means the part 1, okay, the step 1 is already done. Okay, so now we are going to create the product. Okay, with the product we will set up the shipping. Okay, so go to the product. Okay, all product. Okay, in this store, okay, in this funnel system, we already have some default product. Okay, so we will go with them because it will be easy instead of set up the product from scratch. Okay, just here. Okay, so all the product is here already. Okay, so the product price is 0. Okay, the actual price is 39.95, but in this case we are going to give it free because it's free plus shipping. Okay, so we will set up the shipping charge. Okay, so set up the high one. Okay, we just need to select the classes that we already created. Okay, no class, there is the default class. Okay, actually, and the small, medium, high. Okay, in this case we are going to use the high class. Okay, so that's fine. Click the save button, the update one. Okay, so the next product. Okay, this is our front end product. Okay, this is our main product for this funnel, and we will set up another product to make it order bump. Okay, so that we can see how the shipping option is work with order bump. Okay, so let's do the choosers. Okay, the choosers will be our order bump option. So in this case I'm going to set up the shipping for this. Okay, its actual price is $80, but the sale price is 60. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we're going to set up the shipping class. There's the high, right? Okay, so that's fine. Okay, so updated. Okay, and our second step is done. Okay, so the second step was create a product with the shipping, right? Okay, so that's also done, and now we are going to set up the funnels and set up the checkout system with the funnel. Okay, then we need to go to the all funnels. Okay. Okay, so the in all funnels we can see all other funnels that we already created previously, but in this case I am going to create a new one. Okay, so click here and we can just create the funnel from scratch from the second option, or we can set up the funnel from this pre-made funnel. Okay, so in this case I am going to set up the pre-made funnel. Okay, so which one? Okay, so let's do this one. Okay, because this is two-step order form. We can see here is also two-step order form. This is just the sales page, this is just the sales page. Okay, so why we are choosing the two-step order form? Because most of the case when we are setting up free plus shipping funnel, we see the two-step order form for the product. Okay, so in this case we are also going to follow the same system because this is the most popular way to set up the free plus shipping. Okay, so we are going to click import, and it will take you a couple of seconds because it will import all the steps. Okay, as you can see, importing step 1 of 4. That means it has 4 different steps, like the checkout page, then the upsell, downsell, and then the thank you page. Okay, this is the 4th step. This funnel has already imported everything. Okay, so now it's reloading and take us to the funnel. Okay, so this is our free plus shipping funnel. Just give it a name, right? Free plus shipping funnel. Okay, so we just give it a name and click the update. We can also do the test mode. Okay, so but we are not going to do that right now. Okay, so this is our all the steps. Okay, checkout page, then the upsell page, then the downsell, and the thank you page. Okay, so in this funnel we are focusing on free plus shipping setup, right? So downsell, upsell, that is not our mandatory setup for this funnel. Okay, so go to the edit and you will get the option to set up your checkout page here. Okay, so each of the funnel you create inside the Funneliy, you will see a checkout page. Every page template has its own setup. Okay, so for this checkout page layout we have the setup. Okay, just see here, we go to the step by step. This is the short code we can use, but in this case we don't need this. Okay, so we just need to set up the product is ones are right one okay, ones are okay. So this is our main product, and we are going to put order bump. Okay, so the order bump style 2, that's fine. Okay, so and select the two jars, right? Two jars. Is it come baby? Oh, I typed. Okay, so two jars. And after payment, okay, yes, we want to put the order bump after payment, and then we can just change this text, right? We can change this text, and also we can discount this option. Okay, so this is not required for this case, and we also can add the enable arrow. Okay, so we are going to do that because it will make a small arrow beside the order bump. Okay, so that will be grab the attention, right? Okay, enable animation, we will also enable animation. Okay, so that's fine, all the setup done. We can also set up the product image right here. Okay, so let's do that. This is the dummy product, right? So we will set up the tools are right. Okay, so set up this. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so click here on the update button because we need to update all the settings, right? We make some changes there. Okay, so now checkout offer, we don't need that two-step order form. Okay, so we can customize the two-step order form, like enable checkout notes if you want to. Just let me show you what does it mean by checkout notes, right? We just need to see the visual mode, right? Okay, so let's it load it. Okay, so you can see here the two-step order form, and the two-step order form here is a note. We can say it checkout note. Okay, so if we want to remove this note, then we can just remove it here. Okay, so let's remove it. Okay, let's see. It's the option is removed from here. Okay, so here is the option for other setup, like shipping, where to ship it, and then the payment. Okay, just leave it default. Okay, so and then this is the button text. Okay, so leave it default also. And then the checkout design, if we want to do some design things here on the checkout page, we can do that from here. But I think it's looking good, right? By default it's looking good. We will also change the product image, because our product is not this one, right, in this demonstration. Okay, so checkout fields. Okay, so if we need to check out, we'll change this here. Okay, so first name, last name, country, town, street, address. Okay, that's fine. We will remove this one, ship to a different address, because this is the shipping address we already just collected from the user. But if someone put this one as the billing address and want to put the different address for the shipping address, we can do that. But in this case, we are going to remove this. Okay, ship to different address. Let's see, where is it? Ship to a, okay, enable coupon. Okay, enable different address. Okay, that's fine. We will also remove everything. Just hit the update button, and we are done. Okay, so we need to remove this product and just replace with our image. Okay, there is the product we are going to sell as free plus shipping. Okay. It's loading now. Okay, so go to the edit with Funneliy. Okay, click this button, it will take you to the page editor. Okay, so it may take a couple of seconds to load. Okay, it's loading. It's fine. Go, baby, go. Okay, so we are here, right? But our page is, where is our page? It should not blank, right? Where is it? Okay, so I think something going wrong. Okay, so let me check again. Okay, make update. Okay, so I think because we plus shipping, okay, because of the URL maybe. Okay, sometimes it's happen. Okay? Click to save again. Okay, so just see again. Okay, so if there is anything wrong, we will fix it. It should not happen because we have the page and everything, all the content, right? Right inside the page, right? Here is it. Okay, let's see what is going on. Okay, so this is the page. Actually, the problem was the URL, right? It was the mismatch, right? Okay, so that's fine. Okay, so everything that I've done, we just need to change the product image, because we can also change the content, but in this demonstration, we are not going to change the content because we don't need that actually. Okay, so this is the one. Funneliy. Okay, so this is fine. We can also change all the content because it's the drag and drop system. Okay, so let's change this one also from here. Okay, change, insert, that's fine. Okay, click the update button and then exit. Okay, so then reload this page. So it will remove this one and replace with the other one that we already just set up. Okay, so yeah, that's good. Okay, so we got the product here. Okay, so this is the this is also the text, that is also the for the other product, but it's good, right? Okay, because we just take setting up the free plus shipping, and we need to check this functionality of the checkout page, this checkout system, right? Okay, so I'm going to test it right now. So if we set up everything well, then we should see our product is free and the shipping starts, right? Okay, so by default all the name, everything is here, and then click shop now. Okay, that's fine, that's here. So once there is the free, okay, there's 0.00 the price and subtotal is 0, and then the shipping is flat rate, that is 6.99. That was our high one that we set up. Okay, so this way actually guys we can set up the two-step funnel with free plus shipping option. Okay, so let's see how it's going with the order bump. Okay, so just click here. Okay, it's again reloading. Okay, now we can see two charts is $60. That was actually $80, but the discounted price is $60 and the subtotal is 60, and also it has the it has the shipping charge. Okay, so the flat shipping, that's it, this one. Okay, so this way we can set up the free plus shipping, and thank you very much for watching this video, and you can use the free plus shipping option inside the Funneliy, and if you need any help then just feel free to contact our support.